show you how to download the Landsat image. So there's a particular website where we normally download Landsat image from. So I'm going to demonstrate that in this tutorial. I'm going to demonstrate how you can download that on this tutorial. So now we are going to look at, so the first thing is make sure your computer is connected to the internet, because this is an online download, so make sure your system is connected to the internet. Then the next thing is we search for the website. We go to the website Glovis. So we have two websites. We have about 3 websites for downloading, but the best one, the best site I will advise you to go is this. There is another one, is the Earth Explorer. We have Glovis, we have Earth Explorer. So this is earthexplorer.usgs.gov. We also have glovis.usgs.gov. So the one I will advise you to go to is this Earth Explorer, which is far better. So Earth Explorer is far better than Glovis. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to create an account. So we are going to create an account. You can see I already have an account here, which I created with my password. So I am going to create another account just to demonstrate to you how to create the account, because creating an account here is quite it may be quite tasky. So, and there are certain things you need to understand before you create your account. So what I'm going to do here is go to your create new account. Then here you type your username, whichever username you want to use. Now this one, let's say I want to use another username. You can see that the username here, when you look at the username here, it tells you the requirements for username. Username requirement must be between 4 and 30 characters, may contain alphabetic and numeric characters, may only contain the following special character. You can see it can contain any of these symbols. So now I am going to use Yinka 01, then number, it must contain number, alphabet number, then let me see 01, then @ then you go to the password also. The password requirement is this: it must be between 12 and 24 characters, it must contain at least 1 alphabetic character, must contain at least 1 numeric character, then may only contain the following special character. So it can contain any of these symbols, and it is compulsory that it contains any. So the first thing I'm going to do is I will start my first alphabet with capital letter, then the rest small letter, then I will end with, I will try to see here if I'm correct. Okay, now I got that. So this, so type the same password, then click on this, then continue. If there's any mistake, you can see it's telling me that it's not up to 12 characters. Now I'm going to type another one which has 12 characters. So I'm going to type another one which has 12 characters. So I will say, so in this case I'm using small alphabet all through. So I will go to this place. I will also type the same thing. Okay, now let me click. You can see it has accepted it. It has accepted it. So this is one difficult thing about opening an account. So the next thing is that you are going to fill in these places. So what you want to use it for, you can just say private business or others, data provider, end user. So you don't need this one. Yes. So you can select anyone. So primary usage. So I use it for anything. Environmental regulation, anyone, agricultural forecasting. So agricultural forecasting, say education, land use, land cover, urban management, any other one. So you can do that. So distribution, all of the data. Then here, access, very important. Then continue to contact information. Now this place is quite difficult. Now, company or organization, you can type anything, or you can use the same thing I use here. You can use the same thing. This is the name of my company, so you can also use it. Now, this address is where the problem normally comes in. So, number 4. So let's see if it will accept this. Let's see if it will accept this. 220001. You can check the postal code of your state and type it there. So here, let's see if there's any error, it will let you know. You can see this shows that you can see, okay, email already in use. So let's use another email. So let me use the CF3D1. So that is the company's email. So let's use that. Sorry, that should be cgf3d2@gmail.com. So I will copy the same thing here to this place. So I cancel this. I don't need this. So you can see. So now if you want to write your address, make sure you put number .4, then space the street name like that. Because if you don't, it will not accept it. So then submit the registration. Now, a confirmation email will be sent. So you go to your email. So you log in to your email. So we are going to use cgs3d2@gmail.com next. So let's see. Okay, now this is it. So an email will be sent to you. So you wait for the email. So you wait for the email because they say check your email for confirmation message. Click the link to activate and complete the registration page. So if you do not, please check your spam folder. So let's check the spam folder. Possibly it may be there. So nothing is there. So we have to wait till the message arrive. So now once you receive the confirmation email, you go back to your login page and login. Now I have not received the confirmation, so I'm going to use my old account. So this is my former account which I'm going to use, and I'm going to sign in. So this is it. So once you've done that, you can type Earth Explorer again and just go there now. So it's already logged in. You can see logged in. Now the next thing you are going to do is, now if you want to download, the first thing you select your path and route. Then each areas has their own path and route. For example, if I'm looking for the path and route of Abuja, path and route of Abuja. So I can easily get the path and route of Abuja. Now this is one. So this is a path and route map. So this is a path and route map. So you can save image. You can save the image and save path and route of Nigeria. Now if we go to your window, you can see that each state has their own path and route. So here we are going to look at the path and route of Abuja. Now this is Abuja. You can see Abuja lies between, that is row 32, and part 189 and row 54. Part 189 row 54. So that is it. Part 189 row 54, part 189 row 84. That is the path and row. So you can click on show. Then here you can see, you can click on show. It will take you to that place. Then you can see they've already sent the message. So from there you can open the message and activate your account. Now the year we want, let's say we want 01/01/2020 to 12/12/2020, and search month all. Now cloud cover range, want something like 10%. So 189.54. So the next thing, we go to data sets. We go to Landsat. Then we go to Landsat collection. Landsat collection 1 to 3. No, sorry. Landsat collection 1. So here you select Landsat 8 because that's the latest Landsat now is Landsat 8. Like that is operational land imager. So this is Landsat 7. Enhanced thematic mapper. Landsat 4 and 5 thematic mapper. So we are going to do that later. So go to additional criteria. This is pattern row again. So you say 189.54. So 189, sorry, then 54. So here you go to results. So once you do that, add all result from current page. Add all result from current page folder. So you go to so if we select this and it's not working, you can as well select Landsat collection here, then select Landsat 8 here. This is Landsat collection, so you can select Landsat 8 as well. Then you can go to result again and see. So next select Landsat 7. Let's select Landsat 7. So in this place, so let's select Landsat 7 here as well. And let's see. Now if that is the case, so if you try this and it's not working, you can also try. You can see it's saying no. Okay, this is one. It has the result is shown now. This is it. This is Abuja. So you can view the map to see which one is good. This is good. This is good. So always know that when you try that and it's not working, it might be that it is faulty or there is issue with their website. But when that happens, just go to Landsat collection to then select Landsat 8 and Landsat 7. Then also go to Landsat collection 2, then one select it as well. Then you can go to Landsat collection 1 and also select it as well here. So you can also go to Landsat collection 1 and select the 2. So but if it's giving you issue, you can see. So once it brings it out like this, you can just view it in case of cloud cover, because there are some that may have cloud cover. So let's see this side, this one. So you can see this is good, this is clear, no cloud cover. So once you see it like that, you can see the download basket here, the download option. Just click on the download option. You can see it will bring out the download. So here you download this last one. That is the level 1 GeoTip data product. So once you download it, it will download. But if you are searching it and it's giving you problem, If Earth Explorer is giving you issue, you can easily go to USGS. It's just that USGS will not give you several results. So just go to Glovis USGS. Just type Glovis USGS, then go to USGS Home. So in case the Earth Explorer is giving you issue, just go to Glovis Home, then launch Glovis in full screen. So if Earth Explorer is giving you issue, just go to glovis.usgs.gov. So once you go there, you launch it. Then after that, you can see this is quite different. So here you scroll down, you select Landsat 8. If it is Landsat 7, let's say between 1999 and 2006 or thereabout, or 2010 or thereabout. So you can select Landsat 7, but we are using Landsat 8 now. If it is 1984 you are looking at, you can select Landsat 4 and 5, that's thematic mapper. If it is 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002 to around 2010, you can select Landsat 7, they are enhanced thematic mapper. But here we are looking at 2020 because Landsat OLI starts around 2011, 2010, 2011 upward. Now, once you select Landsat 8 here, you just type the date you want. So I am asking the software to search between the 1st of January to the 12th of December 2020. So here is going to give me all the results between. So here is going to give me the result between January to December. So it can be January, February, March, April. So whichever one is clear, that is the one it will bring out, because there are some with cloud cover that cannot be used. So here I'm going to select between 0 to 1% cloud cover. Then here I'm going to select everything from January to December. Then here I will apply. So the next thing, I'm going to click here. Then here I'm going to select on the path and route. So path and route of Abuja is 189.54. So here I will jump to location straight. So once you jump to location, it's going to bring out the map of Abuja. So you can see. So it will give you the map of Abuja. So once this is done, so let's input the path and route once again. 189.54. So you can see these are the location. You can see. So this is you can see. So this is the Landsat is going to give us. You can see between, this is Nigeria, so you can see. So you can see where it lies. That is what the pattern row is giving us. So if we are going to look at this place again, so let's look at 189. This is 189.54. That is what it should be. So it should be 189.54. So in this case, we are searching for between January to December. Then the pattern row 189.54. So let's select one if that will be better. That will give us the accurate. Okay. Now this is giving us another result. So let's search. Let's use the two 189.054. Jump to location. So let's try to see 189.54. Let's jump to location. So let's switch it off. Then let's bring it in again. So let's reload the network. So yeah, this is giving us a good result. Yes. So you can see. So this is giving us the results. So here you can click on download. So you can see. So you can easily download from here. So once you download, the download window will open and your data will be downloaded. So let's see again. This is the download, fetching download, so it will load. So you can see if it's not loading, just leave it to load. So you can use either of the two. So I can download this. You can also download once you click on download. You can see possibly most of the time the website is always down during weekends, but the download is always available most of the time from Monday to Friday. So most times weekend you may not be able to download data during weekend on USGS Globis. So or it can be slow, or the server should be slow. So most times it's either the server is slow or possibly the download window doesn't show up. So that is how you can download data on. So that is how you can download data on USGS. So the data will download definitely, but most times the server is not always fast during weekends. So you can see that I'm already downloading the Landsat here. So that is how you can download Landsat images in USGS Globis, or rather Earth Explorer, either of the two, whichever one you like. So the data is still downloading, so you wait for it to download completely. So you can see it's still downloading. So that is how to download your data. You can see that the one that I have here doesn't have cloud cover. You can see no cloud cover. So that is it, no cloud cover. So you wait for it to download completely. The download is about to complete, so just give it a few seconds. So, but one thing is that if you want to download LANDSat TM, they are not always as heavy as LANDSat OLI. And the LANDSat TM, they are not even up to 100 megabytes when you use them. So, what we normally use LANDSat for is land cover, projection, which we are still going to look at in our next tutorial. So this is how to download the LANDSat image. So once you are done downloading it, you can open it, then you can copy it. You copy it to wherever you want to copy it to. So you copy it to wherever you want to copy it to. So you copy it, you copy it to another folder. So you can just say Abuja LANDSat, then copy it there. You can paste it there. So you can now unzip it and for your data to be used. So that is how to download data on